So hi, today I'm going to uh, do explanation video for model basics in which I'm going to create a show page, an index page, and display the contents by giving into the seed so that it will display all the information. So if you click on a link, so it will redirect to another page. So from there we can just get back to another page. So now we're going to see how it will be. So now what I do is I'll just create a model class, Rails generate model. So my project is like I'm taking an iPhone. So it's model string, and the color should be string, and the year of manufacturing will be it's like integer, and the price should be integer. And so here I have just created a model class. So let me check by going into the VS Code. So code dot, if you press code dot, it will go all the way there. Okay, it's loading. So just wait for a second. So here, so DB, so migrate. So here you can see our text like string model, string color, year is an integer, and price is an integer. So now I will go to the database. So dbseeds.rb. So here there is nothing else. So now what we do is, uh, okay, before go seeding, I'll just reset the entire database. Rails db uh, migrate reset. Yeah, I'm just resetting the entire database so that there will be no errors. Okay, so here what I will do is iPhone dot create node. So this what we'll do is it is for do not model. So model, so it should be iPhone 1, I can say. So color, it's maybe wiper color or something else, and yeah, it should be like 2015, I can say. So so price should be so we don't need column for these 2015 since it is. So Viper, it's maybe, let's say $300. So again the same thing. So I think I missed a brace here. So yeah, so another one, iPhone dot create not of, so model, uh, maybe iPhone 5, let's say. So color should be red, I can say. So yeah, I can say 2016. The price may be around $300. Price I can take it as 350. So here is a brace. Should close the brace. Okay. So here iPhone don't create not of. So model should be, I can say iPhone, let's say 11. So color should be green, I can say. Here should be 2021, the latest model, 2021, and the price should be like $900. Yeah, so I'm going to create another one, iPhone that create not of So model iPhone 12 color, blue, I can say. BLUE shitty. Yeah. So here I can say it's blue maybe. Uh, the year should be uh 2022, and price is around $1,000. So until now, I think I've finished everything. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just Ryle DB migrate reset. హలో ఎంతసేపు అవుతుంది? నేను ఏదో ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ వీడియో చేస్తున్నా, ఓ 10 నిమిషాలు అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? మళ్ళీ మధ్యలో ఓ 10 నిమిషాలు బ్రేక్ ఉండదు. 10 నిమిషాలు టైం పడుతుంది. 10 నిమిషాలు అయిపోతుంది. అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే. Sorry for the disturbance. So now I'm just I'm just seeding the data into the database. Let's migrate DB, migrate set database seed. Yeah. So if it goes through aborted syntax wiper, unexpected local syntax error. So I think I made a mistake somewhere. So wiper here, I didn't put a comma here. So that's what I've been talking about. You'll face some errors if you don't. Okay, we'll do that again. This time it goes through. Yeah. Nah, think I missed the comma again. Sorry. So yeah, here also I think I missed a comma. So here also comma. Yeah. So I think everything is good now. So it should work now. Yeah. Let's DB. Yeah, it goes through. So since we seeded with the database, so here we go. We need to generate a model, that is a model controller class. So for that we need to Rails G uh, controller iPhones, I can say. So if you do this, it will generate a model class here. So all you need to do is see here. So app controller, application controller, iPhone controller here. So this is what our controller will be. So here what I do is I'll just add a page called index page. So def index. So it will go to the index at the rate iPhone. iPhone. So these are like instance iPhone dot all render index. Then so it will definitely iPhone dot all. So it will display all the phones that was inside the database after fetching this one. So it will go to there. So iPhone dot all, it will just display what are the things. So now we go to the model class views. iPhones. So here we'll create a new file called index.html.erb. So it will just create a new file folder. So what we do is, so I'll just put one heading. So H1, so the heading should be iPhone models, I can say. Next, so after putting the models, I just need to create a table class. That table, it's equals to, table should be table hover. So we need to get to the entire table, right? So it should be table hover. Yeah, and table head, it should be like all I can say is dog table. Table or so after here, so I think I missed the table. Table head, it should be table head and table hover. Okay, so table doc. So after this, here, thread, so here, so here we just display what are the things like table header. So here model and image model color. So these two attributes will just display on the index page. So if you click on the each one, so then it will direct to the page where you want to. So now the body will be, the T body will be like the T body, like inside the table. So I'm just mentioning the link so that, so between this one, so I'm just linking iPhones that each. So there are too many phones. So just iPhone. I can take iPhone. So here I'm just looping it, by the way. So no need to worry. Table reader. Yeah. So here table data. Table data. So inside this data, what I'm doing is I'm just taking the information from the iPhones. So here equals to iPhone dot model. So the model, not this one. So model. So it's the, yeah. So this is what I do. So iPhone dot color. So let me check dimension car. Yeah, it's fine now. So it's fine now. So it's just like iPhone model. Yeah. So yeah, I just mentioned it. So here iPhone's dot model. So here I'm giving a link that is link. So this is to link to the show pages. So, still I have not created. Soon I will do and link to these pages. iPhone, path of iPhone. Think yeah, it's fine. So now, so I think, TV. I need to and think I have added extra braces so that so think TV. So I just need to close the table. Yeah. So now I've created an index page successfully. It's okay. I will go to the routes file in config routes. Okay, so in the routes file, so what I'll just do is I'll just get iPhone's hash ID. So if you get the ID, so you need to go to sorry, I think I forgot to sorry, I think I forgot to add the index page first. So get iPhone. So that's why it was showing some error. To iPhone's hash index, comma as iPhones. Okay. What I do is I'll just and now I have taken this one. So I'll just run and see how it will do. Uh, okay, okay. Oh shit. I think I just given a call. I forgot to give a colon here, so that's why it should throw me. Big error. So get to. I think it's fine now. Yeah. It should work now. Yeah. See, a small thing can cause a big error. So uh, sh- see here, you can see. So, small, syntax simply iPhone. So temperature iPhone model. So I just wondering what this thing will be. Uh, so I think wrong somewhere. So I'm just altering the syntaxes. Yeah, just clearing that error now. So, okay, I think the screen share has gone. Sorry to interrupt. Okay, so if you click here, so this is what the iPhone, if you click here, so it will not go to any place because we don't add the links yet. So if you click here, so two, one, two, three, four. Now that we have added the index pages, now we'll go and see how to add the show pages also. So I'll just modify it according to the syntaxes. So, so what I've done is I've just added the syntax. So it came up. So this is the syntax F1 controller. Now what I need to do is like, so now I need to add a show page for the so I go to the routes. So get iPhones hash ID. So after getting the ID, so in which page you wanna go? So I want to go iPhones show pages. I wanna go. So as I can say iPhones. So this is how I wanna go into the page. So we go to the iPhone's controller. So def show at the rate iPhones. iPhone. So I'm just creating a new variable so that it won't give any similar. So that's why I didn't give X params parameters. We'll go with the ID since we get an ID there. So ID. So render. So what we need to render? Show we need to render. So after that, all we do is end. Yeah, so that's fine. So here we created a record to the one. So now we go to the iPhone's views, iPhone's the view here, create a new file. So the new file should be show dot index dot erb. Yeah, that's good. So now we just need to display the contents that in the seeds. So here all we need to do is okay, h1 as h1. So this one should be, so here we just mention the iPhone model. So here we are linking the model. Okay, so after that, just splitting that line. So here we're just linking the line. So here, just anything color. So the color should be percentage equals to thread iPhone dot color. That's fine. That's okay. Then was it like the release should be the red phone dot here. So here price equals to phone dot no, not that price. Here I just need to do the indentation. So no, here I just made. So here I'm just giving back the link. Then equals to link to index, comma phone spot phone. So here I just need to do changes. Yeah, should be here. Should be here. Should be here. Yeah. Now what I'll do is I'll just run the server again. So I think everything will be good. Okay. Action pop. Then node routing already using add route. You have defined two routes in the same region as option. Ordering. Okay. The routes. iPhones. Okay, here I can use iPhone. That's good. So it was throwing an error since we gave the same routing name. See, it goes like this. iPhone. So routes. So iPhone dot model. Yeah, I give. So okay. So we'll do that now. Actually, okay. Let me check the routes. So and the routes. Okay, you have iPhone, and here I put an iPhone. Then in the index, phone, it should work now. Mhm. There's a mistake somewhere. Or model. So, still hearing. Okay. Mhm. So just making sure everything is in the order. Okay, we'll check the routes file. So routes, I gave iPhones index slash iPhones. Okay, you hear iPhones. Then we create a model class and then we put the iPhones. So iPhones that all index. Then okay, we go to index here. To iPhone, pop iPhone, okay. So iPhone, okay. So iPhone not okay. So then, okay, it's good now. So then, iPhone not okay. So now, what is this one? iPhone, what iPhone? So let's change it here. So that find agenda show. So, so underline iPhone. So here it goes. iPhone dot model, iPhone dot color, iPhone dot year, iPhone dot. Yeah, I think it should work now. Should be working. Okay, undefined local params. Okay, I just okay. So let's see. Okay, undefined local ID. Okay, I just need to mention the ID also. The render show template is missing. Okay, sure. Okay, I think what I show that index that no, so I just need to rename it. Rename show that instead of HTML. Yeah, it's fine now. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, you see. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, I think it's fine now. So everything is working. Yeah. So just stopping my screen share and closing the window.